What's up, y'all? We're back in my office again. This is Dr. Fletcher. I'm going to continue to further talk about my field, my specialty. I'm actually a dual specialist, which means I practice both ear, nose, and throat, which is my core specialty, head and neck surgery, thyroid removal, sinus surgery, vocal cord surgery, and then I also do facial and plastic and reconstructive, which is actually my specialization. So that includes eye lifts, facelifts, nose jobs, facial implants, reconstruction of the face after skin cancer. Each specialty has sort of a different mindset, certainly for facial plastics, and especially being African American, I work with a lot of ethnic patients, and in our community, plastic surgery has been heavily stigmatized over the last several years. At least growing up, I remember Michael Jackson and some other high-profile examples that I think put our specialty in a very bad light. And I still feel like we're not through that yet. We're still reclaiming a little bit of our identity, pun intended, in this specialty and trying to make it something that we don't fear and that doesn't have the stigma that you're going to basically obliterate your cultural heritage and your racial features. So I do patients of all races. Certain ethnicities have certain concerns, which I've gotten to know a little bit more as I've started to practice more. The consultation with the patient is very important to understand what they want and what they don't want, and to figure out whether it's something that would be congruous with their ethnicity and their ethnic identity. So that's something that I've developed as I've gotten more into the nuances of this specialty. As far as the ear, nose, and throat stuff, certainly that's my bread and butter. It's where I do a lot of my lifestyle type of surgeries, help people breathe better, help them smell better, help them hear better. Those are surgeries that people are always grateful for, especially when the outcome is really good. So I continue to sharpen my toolbox every day and learn a lot of different techniques, go to meetings. I just left one in New Orleans, the American Association of Cosmetic Surgery, where I like to pick up different tools from other surgeons that are really on the cutting edge or that have been doing it a lot longer than me. And that helps to keep me sharp for everything I do. So we're looking forward to expanding the practice even more in the next couple of years, adding some other services and offerings. And so we look forward to bringing you that in the near future. So continue to follow our journey. I'd like to shout out Sensei, our videographer, for doing a great job on these episodes. Again, if there's something that you want me to talk about specifically, or there's questions about something that I do that you always wanted to know, make sure to drop me a message, or you can send me an email. My Instagram is @AaronFletcherMD. I'm also at Dr.Knows if you have questions related to ear, nose, and throat. We have a lot of educational content coming, and we have a lot on our site now, so make sure to check that out. We work really hard on bringing you the best of content. Make sure you follow everything that we do, and we'll see you on the next episode. Again, I'd like to thank my office, my staff, and all of you all for paying attention and continue to follow us. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.